This remedy will remove pimples from your skin and you have a glowing skin. So to prepare this recipe, you need cucumber. First of all, you glitter the cucumber. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. Please watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, guys, and also share this video. If you're watching me from Facebook, please follow my page and also like my page. So guys, you glitter the cucumber. Cucumber is very good for your skin. It will glow your skin, it will remove pigmentation and make your skin clear and smooth.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up.
What we need is cucumber juice. So after glittering the cucumber, the next thing you will do is you sieve out this juice. So we are going to sieve it out.
I feel like it's Monday, something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no.
So you add 1 tablespoon of honey. You need original honey. Then you mix it very well. After that, you transfer it to a container, a very tight container.
You'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
So this is the mixture. So you need to apply it on your face. You wash off after 20 minutes, then you moisturize your skin. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.